This is a burger with Muenster cheese. We're using ground sirloin for this. So you want to buy 80 to 90% lean beef. I like a coarse black pepper, good 2 turns of the bowl of kosher salt, and a little black pepper, or a lot, depending on how much you like your black pepper. Then we're going to add about a half a palmful each of that delicious combination of caraway and cumin, and a fat splash of Worcestershire sauce. You really want to get in there, but don't overmix the meat. If the burger has a lot of ingredients in it, a lot of herbs, for instance, okay, and you want to check your flavoring, I do this with meatballs as well. When I'm making a batch of meatballs. Take a little piece off the size of a quarter, throw it into the skillet, and then you can take a little taste test. It'll cook in a couple seconds on each side, and you'll know, oh, I'm down with that. This is very basic. It's just the distribution of a couple of seeds, so I'm not going to bother with that. When we make patties, we want to mix our meat with your seasonings of choice and then put it back together in one mound. Then you want to score the meat with the side of your hand into equal portions. Make all the patties you're going to make first and then put them into the pan or onto your grill at the same time. Also, when you make patties, make them thinner in the center of the burger and thicker at the edges. That's for even cooking, and because burgers rise when they cook, these are meaty 8-ounce burgers here. I'll cook these about 8 minutes, turning occasionally. Light coating in the pan. Put the burgers in and do not mess with them. Let them develop that really yummy crust before you flip them. So now we're gonna come down and make the special sauce for our burgers. I love this sauce because it's sweet and it's tangy and it's spicy all at the same time. I've got about a cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream, either or. To that, I like a nice thick special sauce so it really sits up nicely on the bun. That's why I never use a mayonnaise base. I always use Greek yogurt or sour cream. It's tangier and it's sturdier. It sits on the bun a little prettier. And then I'm gonna add some relish, pickle relish, 3 big spoonfuls of that. And then as much or as little ketchup as you like for the color. I like a nice rosy color. So 3 to 4 tablespoons. That's your basic building blocks just for the one that tastes like Thousand Island or Russian dressing, right? Salt and pepper. Then this is the fun combo. Couple tablespoons of sriracha. I know, I love saying it, it's so sassy. And sweet chili sauce. Both. I know! Wait till you taste this. It's crazy good. Crazy. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's like everything all at once. It's so delicious. Let's see how we're doing. Ooh, nice color on both sides now. Now, we can double cheese. Muenster. I put a lid over my cast iron skillet just to melt the cheese. I love my special sauce so much, I'm gonna double sauce, bottom and top. Well, wait till you make the special sauce, then you're gonna agree. You're gonna agree with me. Then I put on finely chopped white onion, and then I put my pickle distribution. Now see how the onions go all the way to the edge, the sauce goes to the edge? Same thing with the pickles. You want every bite to have a pickle. Okay, so our big, beautiful beef burger, and then we're gonna do lettuce and tomato, primarily so we don't have to make a salad. So, big fat slice of tomato, and I like salt and pepper on my tomato. And then a lot of lettuce, because lettuce needs dressing. Yes. Extra sauce, yes.